Bullish die cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.51 and $9.81 by 2030. Market investigators accept die could reach $4.51 by 2025. Bearish die market cost expectation for 2022 is 80 cents. Die presentation. DAI has entered the crypto market as a one-of-a-kind and significant token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the producer convention. On the off chance that you're interested about the cost of DAI, look no further. In this DAI cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you really want to be familiar with the cost of DAI, from the ongoing cost to most extreme value, DAI cost today, normal gauge cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether DAI is probably going to be a wise speculation for what's to come. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed DAI cost figure. What is DAI? DAI is a digital currency resource sent off as the very first guarantee upheld. Decentralized cryptographic money. DAI is unique in relation to different monetary standards in the crypto market, dissimilar to resource-upheld monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven. DAI endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the producer convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. DAI can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation named an ETH, the local money of Ethereum. How does DAI function? Collateralized credits are a way for a moneylender to utilize resources they own to get a credit. These collateralized credits have an essentially lower financing cost than customary unstable credits, as moneylenders can seize and sell resources on the off chance that the borrower can't reimburse their credit. Utilizing shrewd agreements running on the Ethereum blockchain, the producer convention permits borrowers to lock crypto resources like ETH and collateralize them. These resources are, thusly, used to produce new DAI tokens as advances. If a borrower has any desire to recuperate the locked resource or ETH, they will be expected to pay an expense and return the DAI to the convention. This model guarantees that DAI's stock can't be changed by any gatherings. A decent stock is kept up with through a complicated arrangement of savvy contracts, which answer continuous market changes in the costs of concerned resources. Who made DAI? DAI was formally sent off in 2017 on the producer convention made by the Creator Establishment. The organizer behind Creator Establishment is Rune Christensen, who fostered the venture proposing to lay out a credit framework that would empower clients to take out credits. DAI was sent off on the convention as a loaning resource stage for organizations and people. Today, the convention is represented by MakerDAO, which took over from the producer establishment. The DAI token. The MakerDAO network has two local tokens, MKR and DAI. DAI's job as a stablecoin on the organization makes it interesting from other traditional cryptographic forms of money. While conventional crypto costs are exceptionally unpredictable, DAI's worth is connected to that of a government-issued money, for this situation, the US dollar. This means the cost of DAI ought to remain nearby or be equivalent to $1 consistently. In any case, this doesn't necessarily occur, and the coin sees cost increments and drops. In any case, when contrasted in other cryptographic forms of money, DAI's worth is altogether less unpredictable. This component of DAI's cost is fundamental to consider while making a DAI cost expectation. DAI specialized investigation. Any DAI cost forecast needs to consider the extraordinary position the DAI token holds in the crypto market. Like other digital forms of money, it is programmable, borderless, and simple to move, yet what separates DAI is its steady cost. Numerous financial backers have shown distinct fascination with purchasing DAI on the grounds that it offers straightforwardness and productivity like other digital forms of money, yet evades the cost instability and intrinsic gamble factor. As a stablecoin, DAI is an important token for making a safe speculation and staying away from high unpredictability periods that storm the open crypto market. Concerning whether or not DAI cost will go up from here on out, there is no right response. The coin's cost can and differs, yet its main role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that in a perfect world, DAI's cost shouldn't vacillate a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of DAI with the US dollar, which makes both downfall and development an ill-conceived notion for the coin. In any case, DAI's cost could in any case change, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market opinion and do your own exploration prior to pursuing a purchasing choice. DAI current cost. DAI is as of now worth $1 USD. DAI has moved 0.05% as of now with an exchanging volume of $472,461,315. DAI is as of now position 12 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $5,914,508,664 USD. DAI value expectation 2022. DAI, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The die cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.50. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. DAI is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. DAI Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, DAI cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of DAI will before long outperform $2.50. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the DAI's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DAI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. DAI Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.50 and DAI might benefit, on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. DAI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2024. DAI Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that DAI effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2025. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.51, with a base cost of $4.01 and a typical cost of $4.21. DAI Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.21 by 2026, with a base cost of $5.01 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DAI has a greatest value worth of $5.51. DAI Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.21. In the event that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $6.51. Neglecting to assemble the help DAI needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6.01. DAI Value Expectation 2028. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7.01 and a yearly cost close above $7.51 in 2028. DAI Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, DAI will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $8.01 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.51, averaging out at $8.21. In general, obviously creator convention is upheld by an imaginative group, an exceptional vision, and strong basics. The framework's main role is to present a digital currency